Our clients are always asking us for the forever home, a house that can grow with them, that can change, that can evolve as their family grows and develops over time. This is truly one of those properties. It's been lovingly cared for over 50 years, but now it's time for another family to give it their love and care. Can't wait to show you around the property. This beautiful property benefits from multiple reception spaces, including this dual aspect sitting room with stunning views across the garden. It then leads through into a study area that follows through into the dining room. Everybody is always looking for a large kitchen family dining space, and this doesn't disappoint. Imagine cooking at the range and entertaining family and friends at the dining table. Upstairs in this property, we've got 3 large double bedrooms, substantial family bathroom and a study stroke bedroom 4 to the end.